Imagine dropping $250,000 on an Italian supercar just to get absolutely humiliated by a Chevy. Yeah, Porsche and Ferrari are officially out of excuses today because Chevrolet just unleashed the new Corvette Grand Sport, and it is a certified automotive cheat code. Forget the silent EV trend. Chevy is keeping the combustion dream alive with a massive, naturally aspirated 6.7-liter V8 engine. No turbos, no electric motors, just 535 horsepower and an exhaust note that sounds like the world is ending. Paired with a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this mid-engine missile violently launches from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. But straight-line speed isn't even the crazy part. The Grand Sport is the ultimate sweet spot. Why? Because it steals the menacing, aggressive wide-body design directly from the track-focused Z06. You are getting the massive air intakes, the wider stance, and the sticky high-performance tires. And this car carves corners with surgical precision. Add in Chevy's legendary magnetic ride control and massive carbon ceramic brakes. Now, brace yourself for the price. To get this level of mid-engine performance from Europe, you're easily paying over $200,000. The new Corvette Grand Sport, it's expected to start right around $85,000. It is literally the performance bargain of the decade. For under $100K, are you taking this American V8 masterpiece? Or are you still overpaying for a 911? Let me know in the comments.